In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files on Yahoo Mail. If you've ever hit an attachment limit or had uploads crawl, this approach will save you time. Instead of attaching a huge file, we'll insert a clean link to that file right inside your email. It keeps your message lightweight, delivers fast, and your recipient can download the file in full quality. I'll walk you through composing the message, inserting the link, and grabbing that link from cloud storage. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and composing a new message. Add your recipient, a clear subject, and a short note that explains what you're sending and why it's coming as a link. This sets expectations and prevents confusion. You can even mention the file name or size so the recipient knows they're getting the correct content. Keep the draft open because we're about to place the download link exactly where it belongs in your message. In the Compose window, look for the three-dot More Options menu. Click it, then choose Link. This tool inserts a neat clickable link into your email rather than pasting a long, messy URL. It keeps your message readable and reduces formatting issues on mobile devices. When the link window opens, you'll see two fields. Display text is what your recipient will see, such as download the presentation or project files. Below that is the actual web address. Type a short descriptive display label first, then paste the link into the URL field. Using clear text builds trust and makes the email easier to scan. Now let's grab that link from cloud storage. You can use different services, but we'll use Google Drive as the example. In Google Drive, select the file you want to share and choose Share. In the sharing panel, set the right access level. For simple delivery, choose Anyone with the link can view, which lets your recipient open it without signing in. If you need tighter control, keep it restricted and add your recipient's email so only they can access it. You can also make it view only to prevent edits. Copy the link, return to your Yahoo Mail draft, paste the link into the URL field, and confirm to insert it. Give your message a quick review, make sure the display text is clear, the link points to the correct file or folder, and your note explains what's inside. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient receives a lightweight email and can download the large file through the secure link with permissions you control from your cloud drive.